Whenever we ask people to bring their PPT presentations here and then present, oh gosh, most of the time these presentations are boring, mundane. Their presentations put people to sleep. No wonder why Jeff Bezos banned PPT in Amazon. Number one, I still don't know why so many people are still reading out their slides. Oh, come on. People want to listen to you. They are not here to simply see your slides. Where is the human touch? Press the B button. Once you press the B button, screen goes blank so that you could talk to people. And even before you start with these PPT slides, talk to them. Build curiosity, build the ground so that they could actually listen to you. Don't make it boring and stop reading out the slide. Add stories. We humans have been storytellers for over 100,000 years. Written communication came just 7,000-8,000 years back. Where are the stories in your talk? People get connected to stories, and these stories can either be your personal or somebody else's story. Come on, add stories to bring the human connection, and your presentation will be less boring. You know what Jordan Peterson said, right? An articulate is the most dangerous person. Because if you can articulate, you can negotiate, you can present, you can convey, you can inspire, you can influence. So where's the articulation, for God's sake? Pause and reflect before answering. Emphasize on important words and sentences. Pause before saying something important, after saying something important. And while delivering your most important message, slow down your pace. Come on, be an articulate. Because an articulate is the most dangerous person. Come on. You need to shift your focus. Stop thinking about yourself and start thinking about your audience. And this is going to help you manage your nerves because you're thinking from your audience perspective. You're thinking what you can give them, what you can teach them, what sort of interesting information you have and your audience don't have, where they are standing, your audience, and where they want to go. So you're trying to figure out all these answers. Let me tell you, if you try to shift your focus, you're going to be an interesting public speaker. You're going to be more empathetic, and people are going to love it because they are not concerned about your anxiety, your nerves, whether you're trembling or shivering or sweating. No, they are not concerned about it. They are only concerned about what's in it for me. So come on, think from their perspective.